How to file income tax return for YouTubers on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you earn money from YouTube via AdSense, sponsorship, super chats, membership, and so on, the IRS considers you a self-employed content creator. Now, you want to gather your tax documents such as Form 1099 NEC, then open TurboTax and log into your account. Now start your return. Go to Wages and Income, then click on Self-Employment Income and Expenses. Now enter YouTube as your type of self-employment, then enter income from Form 1099 NEC. If you didn't receive a 1099, manually enter your earnings under Income Not Reported on a 1099. Now deduct business expenses. Once you have entered your eligible deductions, you want to review all the details you have entered. As a YouTuber, you must pay self-employment tax 15.3% to cover Social Security and Medicare. TurboTax will automatically calculate self-employment tax for you. Now you can simply continue to file your tax, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.